Hello, Wazuu improves an organization's IT hygiene using several capabilities to alert administrators of vulnerabilities, suggest remediation steps, and respond to threats. The Wazuh Vulnerability Detector capability lets you discover security vulnerabilities in the operating system and applications installed on monitored endpoints. By leveraging the capabilities of Wazuu, organizations can proactively detect and respond quickly to security threats and maintain a robust cybersecurity posture.Threat actors can exploit the lack of appropriate security controls, like poor configuration management, to compromise an organization's security. Adhering to IT good hygiene practices aids in meeting regulatory requirements and industry standards and saving costs. With the help of technology like Wazuu, companies can better secure their networks and manage their resources. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.